Nicholas is like, what if we did like a baking Bible study, and while we were baking, we got to do a Bible study and, you know, talk and build community.
We really didn't have a plan for exactly what we would study in terms of like the Bible portion. We just knew that we would study the Bible while whatever it was in the oven.
The Nanaimo bars,
yes.
the pumpkin roll.
Pumpkin Pop-Tarts that Ashley made.
Yes, the strawberry shortcake.
Chocolate chip cookies the first time.
Brownies the second time.
And then like last night, it was popcorn that we made, like caramel corn. After it came out, we stayed and ate it. And then we stayed and talked till like 10 p.m.
Yeah, we stayed a while.
I would say we have a wide variety of like backgrounds within the group. We have people who grew up Adventist, people who didn't grow up Adventist, from seniors to freshmen.
So it's really nice to spend time with people you don't spend usually time with and get to know them better and start to be able to call them friends and to share thoughts on the Bible and building that type of relationship.
Coming together with an intention to meet with God and see God in ways that sometimes we aren't always intentional in.